Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Reuben Ellis Films. My name is Reuben Janet Ellis, and if you want to check my work, the link is in the description. Hey guys, so I thought I'll do this product shoot with the least resources available. So I didn't use lights, I didn't use any professional equipment. I just used a camera, a tripod and a torch. And I'm sure everybody might have a torch. In case they don't have a torch, they can always use a mobile phone. So this torch, the turntable, which is not exactly a turntable, it is just a cake molding thingy, whatever. We use my Sony a6400 with Sigma 30mm with a tripod, and this was the light source from which I shot the whole video with. And to control the light a bit more, I used a butter paper and flipped it on. So you'll have a little bit more control in light, so nothing. And for the turntable, a complete jugaad turntable, I used the stuff that cake people use. So it's pretty easy to turn the table, turn the product with. So to cover that with, I used the black chart paper and covered it. For the background, I used a black blind. So if you found this video entertaining and informative at the same time, do like, share and subscribe my channel for more.